And we'll tell you about these amazing flying machines. Bob Childerhouse flying the Sergeant Clifford Stewart Lysander first, and behind him, Rick Canadian one-way Lysander.
Gord Prize au-dessus de son Yak 50. Belle présentation, Gord. Allez le rencontrer au Dam Bob. Il sera très heureux de vous parler de son whisky, mais surtout vous parler, je pense, d'aviation et de son bébé, le
tasks during the first year of the war. His role would largely disappear with the fall of France, but the Lysander would go on to become a remarkable multi-role aircraft. In and out of unprepared field pastures and forest clearings in the dark of night to pick up secret agents and saboteurs from occupied Europe.
Effectivement, Rick, le Westland Lysander reste célèbre encore aujourd'hui pour avoir infiltré et exfiltré les agents en territoire occupé pendant la Deuxième Guerre mondiale, particulier ergolage court. Le résultat fut un appareil dont la conception faisait anti-aircraft.
Started to design an Army cooperation aircraft for the British Air Ministry back in 1935. The first Lysander flew a year later and demonstrated a remarkable short field performance that today you see as a CYOW aircraft. First Canadian-built Lysanders rolled out of the National Steel Car Foundry in Lawton, Ontario, September 1939. Later delivered to the RCAF, Army Cooperation Squadron at Rockcliffe, right here. In February 1940, number 110 became the first RCF squadron to be ordered overseas to Britain. By late 1940, in the Sergeant Clifford Stewart Lysander, Vintage Wings Canada, and Rick Rickards, Canadian Wetland Heritage Museum's Lysander.